So over here in ChatGPT, if I were to go around and type in something right here, then this chat is actually saved right here. So over here on the today section, you can see that this chat is saved. But let's say what I want is I don't want the chat to be saved, but I want it to be temporary. In that case, you can go around onto the top right here and click on the ChatGPT menu, and then over here you can enable out the temporary chat right here. So now you can see that as you enable the temporary chat, then it's not in history and no model training is there, and it follows custom instructions right here, just like this. So temporary chat is simply temporary, meaning nothing is saved. So if I were to go around and say hello right here, just like this, then it is not saved. So you can go around and ask it anything. Like let's say, for example, tell me about Wikipedia right here, just like this. So let's just go around and do that. And what happens is that it goes around and tells about Wikipedia right here, and it is not saved right here. So once you're ready to get out of temporary chat, you simply need to go around over here onto, let's say for example, ChatGPT right here, and then disable out the temporary chat. So once you do that, the chat that is temporary gets removed and you don't have a way to access it because it was never saved. So that is how you can access and utilize the temporary chat mode inside of ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.